Hi, I'm Richard from Sparks International. I would like to thank Dr. Dan Siegel for teaching me the Wheel of Awareness meditation that I'm bringing you today. I've created this introductory recording so that in the future you can go through the wheel on its own without this preamble, should you wish. Let's consider for a moment that there may be 8 senses that help us to experience our inside and outside world. The first 5 help us experience the outside world. They usually come easy enough to mind. Sight, hearing, touch, smell, and taste. Then we come to the introceptional sense of what is happening physically inside our bodies. This is number 6. Then our awareness of mental constructions, that is, the way we're thinking. This is number 7. Then the relational self of our sense of ourselves as part of the energy that flows from the world and the people around us. This 8th sense in India would be called seeing with the third eye. This is merely a map, and some people don't like being told what their mind is like. But a map is not the territory. It may help to realize that the map is just a way to travel. It's only a metaphor to your own special place. A way of integrating consciousness, and has been a powerful tool for many people to experience who they are and to keep their mental state from sliding towards rigidity or chaos. Your experience is uniquely yours, and however the process unfolds is fine. This is a right mode of consciousness experience. That is, the experience unfolds on the non-verbal, non-analytical part of our experience. If you are able to draw or dance to explain your experience, you'll then stay closer to the experience. When we use words, we take one step away from that experience. If words come up into your head, or an analysis of what is happening, that's fine. Thank the intrusion and ask it to return later. For some people, it helps them to pick up the imaginary box the intrusion came in and place it to one side or the other. For many people, directing attention to the 5 external senses makes those experiences appear more vivid and vibrant. For some people, feeling the inside of their body is a new experience. For people who have experienced trauma, a sense of unease may arise when they focus on that part of the body. If you can, be present with that emotion. Acknowledge it, name it, and let it flow through you and away. This seems to bring more integration into the body and allow the flow of energy to move more easily without blockages. At one point, we will be inviting interruptions to come and have a chance to express themselves. For many people, when they invite something in, nothing comes. If nothing comes, not to worry. For many people, this makes them feel very clear and calm. For many people, thinking about the architecture of thought is frustrating, as they learn to look at thought from the outside and to examine how it was constructed. Be patient. This comes with practice. The third-person view is more advanced and may feel more difficult. Yet, if you persist, there is science to show that viewing your thoughts and feelings this way is a powerful way to help build emotional balance. If you feel connected to the world around you, studies have shown you live differently. You also live longer and have better physical and emotional health. To help us in the practice, we'll be using an imaginary wheel. Just like an old-fashioned wagon wheel, where we sit on the hub and can turn either ourselves or the wheel to view what is happening on the rim. The awareness that our thoughts and feelings are on the rim, and viewing those from the outside, allow us to observe them with openness and objectivity. What is your wheel like? Is it a carbon fiber, lightweight wheel from a racing bike, or an old-fashioned wagon wheel? The type of wheel you have is your own, and you can change it to suit your needs. These are metaphors and maps, yet they have an impact on the way our brains become integrated and our mental health improved. Before I finish, let me just talk for a moment about breathing. There are at least 3 ways to breathe. The first is a shallow breath in the upper part of your lungs. If you look in the mirror, you may see your shoulders rise and fall as you breathe. This is the way many of us breathe, and it is also the way we breathe under stress. The second way is to fill your belly with air. You can watch your stomach go in and out. This is a deeper breath that fills the lower part of your lungs. It's a more relaxing way to breathe, and the way in which many who do meditation or yoga are taught how to breathe. The third way is the way I was taught by my singing coach, and is the way opera singers are taught how to breathe. When you breathe, you open up sideways. Your stomach and shoulders stay still, and your ribs expand outwards. In this way, with practice, you can fill your entire lungs from the bottom to the top in a relaxed state. This can be done slowly, and a way to feel as though your body is being refreshed. At times, when I focus on my breath, I notice the way my ribs move and feel the air filling from the bottom to the top, then slowly reversing the process from the top down to the bottom. Do what is right for you. There are no rules on how to breathe. Just remember, if you breathe as though you are relaxed, your body will relax. Thank you for joining me in this practice. And at the end, you might ask yourself, what did I learn about my own mind as I did this practice?